Here's how to fix the Mistfall Hunter fatal error and stop the game from crashing on launch. Start by reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and the DX end-user runtime. Missing or corrupted runtime libraries are the most common cause of fatal errors in Unreal Engine games. Download both x64 and x86 versions of Visual C++ from Microsoft's official site and run both installers. Restart your PC after. Next, right-click the game's executable and select Run as Administrator. Windows permission restrictions can block the game from accessing files it needs. If this fixes it, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and check Run this program as administrator permanently so you do not need to repeat it every launch. Install any pending Windows updates through Settings, then Windows Update. Compatibility and stability fixes are included in updates, and some crashes trace directly to missing system components. Update your GPU drivers through NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD Adrenalin, or Intel Driver Assistant. Restart your PC after updating before testing the game. If it still crashes, try forcing DX11. Right-click the game's shortcut, go to Properties, and add DX11 at the very end of the target field. Click Apply and launch from the shortcut. This bypasses DX12, which causes crashes on some hardware configurations. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.